So students, we are on question D, and question D is about gerunds. Let's see what is the question. Complete these phrases by adding gerunds and use them in sentences. First of all, let student recall the definition of gerund. Gerunds are the nouns as well as the verbs. Basically, we can say that gerunds are the verbs which can act as a noun as well. For example, swimming. Swimming is an interesting hobby. यहां पे swimming हम कह सकते हैं कि as a gerund यूज हुआ है. I hope आपको gerund का समझ आया होगा. चलिए हम अपनी एक्सरसाइज की तरफ चलते हैं. Good at, so good at painting. Accused of breaking. Sad at seeing. Tired of working. So students, इन चारों phrases में हमने gerunds ऐड किए और हमने इन gerunds को as a noun act भी करवाया. यहां पे as a verb act नहीं कर रहे, इन चारों phrases में as a noun act कर रहे हैं. Now students, अगला पार्ट जो है वो आप पे मैं छोड़ता हूं. अब आपने इन phrases को अपने sentences में यूज करना है और अपनी नोटबुक पे इसको कॉपी करना है. I hope you understand the question and exercise. Let's move to the last question of this exercise.